Hi 212 friends. I need you guys to do me a favor this week as you're studying for your Chapter 12 test. We are required to give all students a CLA, a course level assessment. What that means is it's just a way for us to kind of gather data. So it's kind of like a post-test. Every single 212 student will be taking this CLA quiz. Now it's not a quiz that you'll be graded on, but I do want you to do the best you can. What I need you to make sure that you do is I need everybody to take it. So in order to make sure that all students take this little quiz, is I'm going to hold off on giving you your Chapter 12 test score until you take it. So it's just going to be easier if you just get it done this week as you're studying. It should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes, and there's only 6 questions on this quiz. Like I said, it's not for a grade, but I do want you to do the best you can. So what I'm going to do to entice you is to give you some extra credit. Normally, we only have extra credit on the reviews for each chapter, right? Well, I'm going to give you an opportunity to earn a few extra credit points on your Chapter 12 test for taking this CLA quiz. There are 6 questions on this quiz. The first couple are some algebra review questions, but the last 4 are information from Chapter 12. For every question that you get right, I'll give you a point toward your Chapter 12 test, right? So, throughout the week, some point as you're studying for your Chapter 12 test, I need you to take about 15 to 20 minutes to take this CLA quiz. You're going to need a scratch paper and probably your calculator. You're going to find the quiz by going onto your Canvas page, your Canvas course, going into the Quizzes tab. You'll notice that there's a CLA quiz for 212. We have a special 4-digit passcode, 7700. Our 5-digit section number. You're going to need those 2 numbers as you go to start your quiz. You're going to scroll down, you're going to enter those 2 numbers here, and then you're going to push the next button. It's going to ask you for your first and last name. Make sure that you put that so I can give you your extra credit. You're going to then answer all 6 questions. Every question that you get right, I'll give you a point toward your Chapter 12 test, okay? When you're finished with all 6 questions, if you'll scroll down and answer the true-false question that I've put on Canvas here that says I've completed the CLA quiz. Because you've completed it, hopefully you'll push true, and then you'll submit your quiz somewhere down here. That'll alert me that you've done the quiz, so I can go back and find your results so I can give you your extra credit. And then because you've taken the quiz, I'll then go ahead and grade your Chapter 12 test and post it. So I need to make sure that everybody does it. So please make sure that you take the time this week to take that CLA for me. Do the best you can so you can earn at least 6 extra credit points towards your Chapter 12 test, and then make sure you continue studying really hard for your Chapter 12. Thanks again, guys. Let me know if you need anything.